You've heard it 1,000 times. Goldfish only have a 3-second memory. Poor little guys, doomed to forget everything before they even finish swimming in a circle. This widely accepted belief has been a staple in popular culture for generations, often leading to misconceptions about these common aquatic pets. But is that actually true?
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Spoiler: your goldfish remembers way more than you think. In fact, they might even remember you, recognizing your face or presence. This challenges the long-held myth and opens up a new understanding of their cognitive abilities. The 3-second memory myth probably started as a joke and just never died. It's a common misconception that has persisted for generations, shaping how we perceive these fascinating creatures. This simple, catchy phrase became ingrained in our collective consciousness, despite a lack of scientific evidence. For decades, people used it to justify keeping goldfish in tiny bowls. Because if they forget everything every 3 seconds, surely they can't get bored, right? This belief unfortunately led to less than ideal living conditions for many goldfish, as their complex needs were often overlooked due to this pervasive myth. But scientists started testing this claim and discovered goldfish have surprisingly good memories. Their cognitive abilities far exceed the popular myth, revealing a complex understanding of their environment and a capacity for learning that rivals many other animals, like weeks or even months long. This extended memory span allows them to learn and adapt, challenging our preconceived notions about their intelligence. They can retain information over significant periods, which is crucial for survival and interaction within their habitat. In one groundbreaking study, researchers trained goldfish to associate a specific sound with feeding time, kind of like Pavlov's dog, but with a much wetter environment. This classic conditioning experiment provided early evidence of their impressive memory capabilities. Weeks later, the fish would instinctively swim to the surface the moment they heard the same sound. No reminders were needed, demonstrating a remarkable capacity for long-term recall. This showed that their memory wasn't fleeting, but rather robust and enduring. This experiment wasn't an isolated incident. Numerous other studies have further illuminated the impressive cognitive abilities of goldfish. These findings consistently point to a level of intelligence far beyond the popular 3-second memory myth. Other experiments showed goldfish could navigate complex mazes, recognize specific shapes and colors, and even distinguish between different humans. These abilities highlight their sophisticated sensory perception and learning capacity. They exhibit a surprising level of visual discrimination, proving they are far from simple, unthinking creatures. Their ability to differentiate between various visual stimuli is a key indicator of their advanced cognitive functions. So yeah, they're not aquatic amnesiacs. They're sophisticated underwater learners. Their brains are wired for memory and problem solving, just like many other animals, allowing them to interact meaningfully with their surroundings. Goldfish have been observed remembering feeding routines with remarkable accuracy, anticipating meal times based on environmental cues. This consistent behavior demonstrates a clear understanding of patterns and expectations. They also remember intricate tank layouts, navigating their environment efficiently and without confusion, even after changes. This spatial memory is vital for their well-being and ability to find food and shelter within their habitat. Furthermore, they can even recognize their tank mates, forming social bonds and hierarchies within their aquatic community. This social intelligence suggests a more complex emotional and behavioral repertoire than previously thought. They can solve simple problems, like lifting levers to release food. This demonstrates an understanding of cause and effect, a key indicator of intelligence and their capacity for instrumental learning. That's not a 3-second memory. That's training recall on par with small mammals. Their problem-solving skills are truly impressive for a fish, showcasing a level of cognitive function that demands respect and further study. And let's be honest, if your goldfish recognizes you every time you walk up with food, That's a pretty solid sign they know what's up. This personal recognition is a powerful testament to their memory and ability to form associations. Their ability to associate your presence with positive experiences, like feeding, is a clear indication of their memory and recognition capabilities. This bond between owner and pet is a direct result of their capacity for learning and recall. So, do goldfish really have a 3-second memory? Absolutely not. This myth has been thoroughly debunked by scientific research, revealing a much more intelligent and capable creature than popular culture suggests. Their memory can last months, and they can learn from experience like any other smart animal. They are capable of complex learning and long-term retention, making them fascinating subjects for cognitive studies. The real tragedy isn't their memory, it's that we've underestimated them for so long. This underestimation has often led to inadequate care and a lack of appreciation for their intelligence, impacting their welfare significantly. It's time to recognize goldfish for the intelligent, capable creatures they truly are, deserving of proper care and respect. Understanding their true cognitive abilities can lead to better husbandry practices and a deeper appreciation for these aquatic companions. So next time you feed your goldfish, give them some credit, they'll remember it, and probably you too. They are more than just a fleeting presence in your home. They are sentient beings with memories and learning capabilities. Thank you for joining us on SciCurious as we debunked another fascinating myth. Stay curious and continue to question common beliefs, as science often reveals a more complex and intriguing truth. Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.